Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Wilma, and today is the start of something big. I'm on a journey to becoming debt-free, and I'll be sharing my budgeting strategies, my challenges, and my wins every step of the way. I want to be real and transparent about my finances so you can see exactly how I pay off debt and build a better future. Theoretically speaking, if I control my spending, I should be able to pay off my car loan in 5 months. Will that actually happen? I don't know, because you know your girl likes to think. Let's get started. So first things first, when it comes to my income, right? So right now I make about 75, a little bit more than 75, but less than 76,000. I am a contractor, and you know, that does have its own ups and downs. For me right now, a win is a win. And excuse me if I keep referencing my phone, I'm just looking at my notes. So I figured out that if I want to make $1,200 a week, I have to work at least 41.5 hours. If I don't work that 1.5 hours of overtime, I will not make the $1,200 a week. $1,200 a week times 4 weeks, that means I bring home $4,800 a month. And now let's dig into my expenses. The biggest one, of course, just like most people, is my mortgage. If you do not know, I am a NACA girly. I bought my house with a NACA loan. NACA is the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, also known as America's Best Mortgage. Check out my other videos if you don't know. This is how I bought this house. If you want to see a tour of what my house looks like and the type of house that I was able to buy with the NACA loan, I do have a video right here that you can check out. My mortgage currently, $1,653.03. And I will add an asterisk here. So asterisk is that I have been in my house for a year and some months. So when I first moved into my house, my mortgage was like $1,897, I think it was. And then what happened after a year is that Bank of America, who is my lender, they did an escrow analysis and they figured out that they were charging me too much for my taxes. So I did get a check for a refund for all the extra money that they were charging me. And then they also lowered my monthly mortgage moving forward. When it comes to electric, it is about $85 a month, depending on the month. Another utility that I have is sewage. So the sewage, I do pay it quarterly. It's every 3 months. It comes out to about $45 per month. When it comes to internet, just for Wi-Fi, I pay $30 a month. The next thing that I have is my trash. I do pay for my own trash, even though I have an HOA. I don't know what they pay. I mow my own grass. I don't know what they pay, but for trash, that's also a quarterly bill. So it's every 3 months. And so on average per month, I pay about $60. When it comes to water, I don't pay for water because my property has a well already. And then so when it comes to my car, I do have a car note, only because I just crashed my car. If not, I would have rode my old car, my old BMW. She was so cute. I would have rode her till the wheels fell off, but unfortunately they did fall off, so I had to get a car. But so for the auto insurance on my car, I pay $224.58. And then I'll leave the car payment till the end because that kind of just goes into my debt repayment strategy. The only other thing that I have, let's say subscription. So like Canva, I love Canva. That's how I make my thumbnails. I have a few other subscriptions in Amazon Prime. Love me so much on Prime. Even though maybe I should probably get rid of that so I can save more money. Maybe I will. We'll see. I'm gonna sum up my subscriptions to about $100. We'll see as I do my budget with you guys if it's actually $100, because I have a feeling that it might be one of those situations where I think I'm paying way less and it's actually more than I think. So we'll see with that. Next up, we have credit cards. Sorry, I have like an Athena hair. There, I got it. Okay, so when it comes to my credit cards, I do have 2 credit cards. The one I use for auto pay, the other one I use for like emergencies. It's a situation where every month, whatever the balance is on both of them, I pay it off. All right, so that's a variable expense for me because it just depends how much I use it. And so when it comes to my debt payoff plan, I am doing the Avalanche method. It's basically when you tackle the debt that has the highest interest first. For example, I have 3 main debts. Number 1 is my car, pretty much only paying for like a few $1,000s and the warranty. So right now on my car, I owe about $10,000, and that does have a high interest rate. The second debt that I have is a personal loan, 24 months interest free. That one I'm kind of just putting on the back burner until I pay off my car because my car is accruing interest. For that personal loan, I owe about $12,000. The monthly payment on that loan is $123. And so something that I do want to add, since I am being being super transparent about my money and my spending and things like that, right? So the personal loan that I have is a loan that I got from my mother. My parents, they were never really able to help me out financially. You know, I've been working since I was 15. I pay for everything myself. You know, I'm that girl. And so and so whenever it comes to the type of assistance that my parents can give me, my mom has like stellar, maxed out 800 plus credit score. And so I went to my mom and I said, hey mom, I know you have amazing credit. You know that I'm responsible. I'm in a tight spot right now. Can you get a loan in your name so that I can pay it off? Because I know that because she has amazing credit, she was able to get a loan with 24 months of interest-free debt. It's at the point right now where they sent her blank checks. Like, Miss Wilma's mom, borrow however much money you want from us. They're hoping that she'll borrow money so then they can charge her on the interest. But then of course my mom doesn't let that happen. The whole time she's only paying the money that she borrowed. She's not paying any interest. I'm super grateful that she even did that for me, you know, because it is a huge help. You know, I mean, if you look at my spending, $4,800 a month, after taxes, that's my take-home pay. My expenses are really only about $2,500. My expenses are this. That means I have this left over every month. You see what I'm saying? Like, I have so much money left over in a month that literally, if I spend no money, if I budget my money accordingly, you see what I'm saying? Like, I should be able to pay off my $10,000 car loan in about 5 months. That's the plan. Just for anyone who's watching, the reason I'm doing this aggressive like payoff strategy is because I do have a savings that allows me to have like a cushion so that right now, all of the income that I have, I can just put towards my car, put towards my car, pay that off, pay off my mom's loan, pay off my mom's loan, pay off my mom's loan, pay that off. And then I have the remainder of my income to put towards the next big thing, which would be like my student loans. But like, you know, that's just so far in my mind that I just... What happened to the debt forgiveness? I don't know. I thought we were going to be forgiven or something. I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video inspirational. And so like my plan moving forward is to like every week is to sit down with you guys and break down exactly where the money is going so you guys can keep me accountable, because I know that theoretically speaking, if I control my spending, I should be able to pay off my car loan in 5 months. Will that actually happen? I don't know, because you know your girl likes the things, right? But like, I don't want to be in debt. So yes, come on this journey with me. Let's see how long it takes me to pay it off, hopefully sooner than later. But yes, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you again next week on Friday when I do the first, I'm gonna call the series the wallet check, where my money went this week. So thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.